Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marina. If you're new here, hello. If you're not new, hello. So that was the weirdest intro ever. Today's video, I've been on a little bit of a spending spree, like just stocking up on the essentials, Oh, I spent a lot of money, but it's things I need, right? So I am just going to jump straight in. If my hair looks a bit weird, I've just had a Brazilian blow dry, and you are not allowed to wear it tied up or wash your hair for 2 days, so the product is still in my hair, so it might look a bit producty, but yeah. And yeah, let's jump in and I'll show you everything that I've done. So today, after I had my hair done, I popped into Blue Water. Why? On a day where it's pouring down with rain and it's half term, did I think it would be a good idea to go to a shopping centre? It was not. It was absolutely ramo. But anyway, I got a colour match from Urban Decay on their new Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. I've heard loads of good things about this. I got the shade 51NN. So this is a neutral undertone. Yes. Ooh. Oh my god, it is so light. That is so weird. How much do you get in here? How much do you get? You get 30 ml in here. Anyway, this is the foundation. This is the lightest thing I've ever felt. Ever. So I will be trying this out, and if you want to see a video on that, let me know. I've managed to figure out a setup where I can actually start to do makeup videos again. So if you want me to do a video on this, let me know. And my battery's flashing, so it's probably going to cut off. Oh, a right bargain here. This is the Real Techniques Brush Crush 301 foundation brush, and I've got 2 of these already, but this was reduced to £3.25 because they're not doing this particular one anymore. So of course I grabbed it, because £3.25 for my favourite foundation brush, why not? But I really love this and I thought it was a really good deal. And then I got the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. So I've been using this for quite a while. It's quite a nice hydrating concealer, and I really like it for like carving my eyebrows and brightening underneath the eye. So I got that. I'll just do all the Urban now. I got the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. This is a really nice natural bronzer, like it's not too dark. But I've literally almost hit pan on the one I have at the moment, so I thought I would grab myself another. So it's a really, really nice bronzer shade. And then finally I picked up the Urban Decay Eden Eyeshadow Primer. I love this primer. It's like got a bit of concealer in, so it colour corrects on the lids as well. But yeah, I really, really like this primer. If you know any other good primers, let me know, because I use a P. Louise base, which is good as well. But if I could find a cheaper eye primer, that would be quite nice. And lastly, from Urban Decay, I picked up the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. You've probably all seen this before. I'm going to Florida in September, and I find that this is the one that works best. So I thought I'd pick up that, and I use this one for special occasions. I have other ones which I use for every day, but this one is my special occasion setting spray. And, oh my god, the amount of receipts in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What have I done? Honestly, what have I done? I picked up 2 of the Maybelline Superstay foundations in the shade Warm Sun. Never tried this before, so why did I buy 2? Can somebody please come over here and just stop me from buying, because why? But I have heard really good things about this, so yeah. 2 of those. I got a lot of NYX stuff. I'm just taking this bag out. This bag. Oh my gosh. Okay. So many receipts. Right. Oh yeah, I got this Maybelline City Bronzer because it was on 3 for 2. And this is in Deep Cool. It's really quite a dark shade. But I thought for like contour, because I have the warm one and it's really nice. And this looks quite similar to the NYX bronzer, but a bit darker, so I think I'll like it. Oh my gosh, what have I actually done here? Okay, so I got the NYX Glitter Goals Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Polished. I've been eyeing this up since they came out. It's a really gorgeous light white goldy champagne colour, and it's just so easy to just throw on the lid if you want a really quick look. So I picked up that. I picked up NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in Brunch Me. Again, I've been eyeing this up for such a long time, and I will open this. Oh, it's already open. It's a really lovely nude. But yeah, I can't wait to use this. And then I got 3 of the new NYX Lingerie Push Up long lasting lipsticks. And these are actually plumping. And wait, I'm missing something. No, I'm not. Do you want me to open them all and show you? I feel like I should. But I should have opened these all before, because these are going to take me forever to get into. While I'm here unwrapping, I also bought the Stacey Marie, the new XL Carnival palette. I really wanted it, and it was on, I can't remember what website, not Beauty Bay, like the one that originally stocked it. And it was £42. And it was like, spend £45 for free shipping. And I was like, and then I looked through the website and nothing was like cheap. And I was like, I'm not spending more money to get free shipping, and I'm not paying for shipping, because something that's £40, I really can't open this, should be free shipping, right? So I was like, no, I'm not buying it. So I didn't, and then I got an email from Beauty Bay yesterday saying that it was on Beauty Bay. And then I checked my reward things on there, because they've got a reward system, and I had like £10 credit. So I got a £42 palette for £32. Woo! Okay, so these are the shades. So I got, what is this, Bedtime Flirt. And did I mention these are plumping? Bedtime Flirt, this is so pretty. This is probably very similar to Lunch Me. This one is Seduction. And then the last one is Exotic. So Exotic's a more red one. So pretty. And I wore one, and they're really comfortable to wear on the lips. And then also I got the new NYX Bear With Me Hemp Primer. Hemp, there's something on the box. I don't know what that is. Do you want to focus? It did not want to focus. This is tiny. Oh, it's 30ml. Bear With Me Radiant Perfecting Primer. I put this on my hand and it gave a really nice glow. But yeah, maybe I could do like a first impressions of all of this. Maybe if you want, I don't know, let me know. And if you spent more than £20, you got a free gloss, and I think I spent 40, so I picked up 2 glosses. I picked up Strawberry Cheesecake and Tiramisu, which just look like this. So cute. Next I picked up, the rest is not makeup, the rest is skincare, so if you don't want to see the rest then you can click off now, but yeah, if you want to see how I spent my money, keep watching. So anyway, I picked up 2 of the Carbon Therapy facial soap. So they're charcoal and tea tree oil breakout control facial cleansing bar, and they look like this. I've just finished up my first one. These are £6 each, and I've probably been using it for like 6, 7, 8 months, maybe longer, but this has really helped to clear up my skin. And it's lasted such a long time. For £6, I really rate this. So I wash my face with my cleanser, and then I'll put that on for 30 seconds and then wash it off. And I wash my face with the Garnier Organic Fresh Lemongrass Detox Gel Wash, and this smells so good. It literally smells like a spa, really sweet but really fresh as well. So I picked up one of those as well. And then I got my other skincare favourite, which is the Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo. So this, if you've got acne prone spotty skin, the Effaclar Duo and the Carbon Therapy Face Bar is literally my holy grails. They're fantastic. So yeah, I just picked up 2 of them to stock up. And then I picked up a body lotion. So I've got the Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing, because I seem to have run out of all my moisturiser. I've got 1001 body washes, but I've got no moisturiser, and I remember I used to use this back in the day. Oh my gosh, and it just smells really nice. So I picked up that, and I thought it would last quite a while. And then I picked up some hair bits. So I got the Umberto Giannini Miracle Wet Smooth Serum, and it was on 3 for 2, so I got 2 of these. Honestly, this is the best serum I've ever used. It makes my hair so smooth, soft and silky. It's like argan oil, but argan oil makes my hair too greasy, and this doesn't. And I absolutely love this to death. So if you've got dry hair or you want nice smooth hair, this stuff is fantastic. And then because it was 3 for 2, I didn't want to get 3 serums because they last quite a while. I've still got one downstairs, and it's lasted me for like 2 years. So I thought I'd try a shampoo. So this is the Grow Long Caffeine Grow Complex Root Stimulating Shampoo. It's got vitamins, minerals from caffeine, black coffee seed and marine extracts. Stimulate circulation to the roots for healthy scalp and longer hair, even though I have long hair. But anyway, I wonder if there's sulfates. It says no SLS/SLES, no silicones, no parabens, and it's cruelty free and vegan. But does that mean it's silicone free? Can someone let me know? But yeah, I picked this one up. Never used it before. It smelled a bit funky, but I was like, you know, if it's gonna be this good stuff. No, it smells quite nice actually. But yeah, got that. Yeah, so with the Brazilian blow dry, you can only use sulfate free shampoo, so I need to know about that. I picked up some dry shampoo. This is in the original by Batiste. I used to love blush, and then I got a little sample of this original in the mini size, and I really like the scent. It smelled like
Oh my gosh, are you serious? Are you serious? What are you doing? You freaking joke? Spooky.
ruining my life. Whoa! More shampoo? Why? I don't even think this is sulfate free. Anyway, I got the L'Oreal clay shampoo because my hair gets really greasy. So my friend was like, get this one. which it smells good, but I don't think I can even use it because it's not sulfate free. Okay, I have to save it for when this goes out. Okay, anyway. Oh yeah, I've got one more makeup thing actually, and then we are good to go. Okay, so I got this CYO Triple Fix Prime Glow and Set Mist Shake to Wake, and this was £6. So it looks like this, right? So boring. And then you give her a shake. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Right? She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, goodbye, my memory card. When this gets to 16 minutes, it cuts off. Okay, this is too long. It's the last thing. This is the Boots Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Cleansing and Toning Lotion. And I really like this. It has, again, really helped to clean up my skin. And it was on buy one get half price. So, I bought two. Yay. So that was my haul, which I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget you subscribe to see more from me. And if you want to know every time I upload a video, you can hit that little notification bell right there and it will notify you. And I will leave my Instagram and everything down below if you want to go follow me and stay in the loop. So let me know if you've tried any of these things and let me know what you think, especially this bad boy, the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. Is it called Naked Skin? Stay Naked, sorry. But yeah, if you want me to do a video on anything as well, just let me know. But yeah, thank you again so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!